let's go over the one basic data science project thing which no one does in their project. And this one thing can help you get the job that you have always wanted in the field of data science. So let's not dilly-dally it. The thing is, you need impactful projects. So, if you don't understand what impactful project is, stick with me through the end of this video and I'll tell you exactly what impactful projects are and how you can build them yourselves. So if you like this content, subscribe to this channel as well. Now let's get to the topic at hand, which is impactful projects. Impactful projects are projects which can help people in their daily lives. So how can it help people in their daily lives? Suppose it is Swiggy or Zomato. Now it is helping me in my daily life as it is bringing me food. So it's making things easier for me. It can also help a business. So how can it help a business? It can solve a problem that I've been facing. It can generate more revenue. It can help me cover more market. So these are a few ways of how it can build a business. You can help a business as well. Now, I hope you can understand what an impactful project is through these examples. Anything which can have an impact, which can help people. That is how projects work. You have to build something which can help people. You can use any kind of technology. Technology has existed and is there just to help the people. And you are being paid as a data scientist not to show your technical expertise. It is on how you can use that technical expertise, you can leverage that expertise to solve problems. You have to build projects that can solve problems, that can create impact. That is the baseline. Let me help you with an example. There are many people who create this project on Titanic dataset. They have this dataset on tabular data where they have information of all the people who boarded Titanic and whether they survived or not. On the basis of this data, they create a model which can tell if a certain person survived or not. Sounds cool, but this project lacks impact. Now, how can you make this impactful? If you do a certain thing and suppose a cruise is sailing again, so based on some features of Titanic as well as this cruise, can you tell what is the safety rate of this ship or something like that, which can help a business in their real life, or it can also help the people who are boarding this ship. Okay, so that might be impactful. I don't really know if it is feasible or not, but it's up to you to find. If you can find the data, if you can find something, that might be an interesting project. The next project idea I might give you is that suppose you have a garden at home on your terrace. Now there are pigeons coming and just eating your plants out, and it's hard to see your plants get eaten. So what can you do? You can create a model, a basic model. This technology has existed for ages. You can give your computer an image and you can ask it to tell you if the image is a pigeon or a human. So what can now you can do? You can connect it to a server and then you can use IoT to give you a device which can detect pigeon. And if there is a pigeon, you can do a certain action to protect your plants. Sounds cool, isn't it? And the thing is, you can talk about it in your interview as well. So you can talk about all the interesting things that you have built, not something which everyone builds. So that is how you build impactful projects. You think about what problem you are facing, or what problem the people near you are facing, and you try to solve it with the help of data. That is how impactful projects are built. I hope you understood it. Now, I'll come to a most important part. Many people struggle to build impactful projects even after thinking. So to solve this problem, we are coming up with a new playlist on how to build impactful projects. We are going through all the lifelines of data science lifecycle and telling you how you can pick a part of that life cycle and build a project on it and learn it in the process as well. So if that sounds interesting, subscribe to our channel, and I hope you like this content. Subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and comment. Thank you.